In the previous video, we have completed how to find out the x correct to 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places and 3 decimal places. Now we are going to solve the equation for x and give your answer correct to 2 significant figures. The given equation is x squared minus 3 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. First we have to bring it to the simple quadratic equation. X squared minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now compare it with ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 9. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. Then minus 3 plus or minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 minus 9 upon 2 into 1. Okay. Then 3 plus or minus under root 9 plus 36 upon 2 is equal to 3 plus or minus under root 45 upon 2. So under root 45 is equal to 6.708. Put the values. So you will get 3 plus or minus 6.708 upon 2. 3 plus 6.708 upon 2 or 3 minus 6.708 upon 2. Then 9.708 upon 2 or minus 3.708 upon 2. So 4.854 or minus 1.854. Now in the question they ask you to get the answer correct to 2 significant figures. Correct to figures. So answer 4 point. We have to see third one 5. So add 1 to the before 4.9 or minus 1.9. In the answer we should have only 2 figures 1 2 1 2. Okay, this is the answer. Solve the equation for x and give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Equation is 5x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. In this equation, they are asking you to get the answer correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, so compare it with ax square plus bx plus C is equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to 5, B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to minus 4. Then write the formula. X is equal to minus B plus or minus under root B squared minus 4AC upon 2A. That is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root minus 3 whole squared minus 4 into 5 into minus 4 upon 2 into 5. Then 3 plus or minus under root 9 plus 80 upon 10. Then 3 plus or minus under root 89 upon 10. Under root 89 is equal to 9.434. Okay. Now, it is equal to 3 plus or minus 9.434 upon 10. So, 3 plus 9.434 upon 10 or 3 minus 9.434 upon 10. So, you will get 12.434 upon 10 or minus 6.434 upon 10. So, 1.2434 or minus 0.6434. What is given in the question? Correct to 3 significant figures. We have to get the answer in 3 significant figures. Therefore, 1.24. In the answer, we should have only 3 figures. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Or minus 0.643. Because 0 has no value. 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. For x, x power 4 minus 2x squared minus 3 is equal to 0. In this question, we can use either formula or without formula. We can solve it. Okay. Now, x power 4. Can I write x power 2 whole square minus 2x squared minus 3 is equal to 0. Then let x power 2 is equal to p. We can write. So, p squared minus 2p minus 3 is equal to 0. You will get a simple quadratic equation. Now, you see 3. 1 into 3, 3. 1 minus 3, minus 2. So, p squared minus 3p plus p minus 3 is equal to 0. Then p minus 3 and p minus 3. Common one first you have to take it and then put the sign. Plus 1. Okay, and then here you have to multiply once and check it. P into p squared. P into minus 3 p. P into 1, p. And 1 into minus 3 is equal to 0. Then p minus 3 common and p plus 1 is equal to 0. Then p minus 3 is equal to 0 or p plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is p? P is equal to x squared. No, put this in the p place. Okay. So, x squared minus 3 is equal to 0 or x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. So x squared is equal to 3. X is equal to plus or minus under root 3. So x is equal to plus or minus 1.732. And here x squared is equal to minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus under root minus 1. That is not possible. Okay, this is the answer. Solve for x. X squared minus 3x whole squared minus 16 into x squared minus 3x minus 36 is equal to 0. So, let us take, let a is equal to x squared minus 3x. So, the equation will become a squared minus 16a minus 36 is equal to 0. Now, 1 into 36. Okay. So, 18 2s are 36. Okay. 18 minus 2, 16. I will write a squared minus 18a plus 2a minus 36 is equal to 0. Then a minus 18 and a minus 18 plus 2. A square 18a, 2a and minus 36. Now a minus 18 into a plus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 18 or a is equal to minus 2. And what is a? X squared minus 3x is equal to 18 or x squared minus 3x is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now again we have to solve it. X squared minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. So 18, 6 3s are. So x squared minus 6x plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. X minus 6 plus 3 x minus 6 is equal to 0. X squared minus 6x 3x minus 18. Okay. Then x minus 6 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6 minus 3. Okay. And then another equation. X squared minus 3x is equal to minus 2. Then x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x squared, it is 2, no? So, x squared minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. How? 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Then x minus 2 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. X squared minus 2x minus x plus 2. Then x minus 2 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 or 1. Okay. So, the answer x is equal to 6 minus 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Okay, under root x upon x minus 3 plus under root x minus 3 upon x is equal to 5 upon 2. Now let y is equal to under root x upon x minus 3 and 1 upon y is equal to x minus 3 upon x. So, this is x upon x minus 3 and this one x minus 3 upon x. So, reciprocal of this is this. Okay, that's why we are taking y is equal to this one means this one will become reciprocal. So, 1 upon y. Clear? Now, y plus 1 upon y is equal to 5 upon 2. Bring this equation to the simple quadratic form. Y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 5 upon 2. Then 2y square plus 2 is equal to 5y. Then 2y square plus 2 minus 5y is equal to 0. Rearrange it. 2y square minus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 2 2s are 4 and 4 plus 1 5. So 2y square minus 4y minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2y, y minus 2 and y minus 2 and here you put minus 1 is equal to 0. 2y into y, 2y square minus 4y then minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Next y minus 2 and 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to y under root x upon x minus 3 is equal to 2. And here 2y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 upon 2 and in the place of y under root x upon x minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, you got this? Again we have to solve it. Take x upon x minus 3 is equal to 2. Squaring both the sides. Okay, so x upon x minus 3 is equal to 4. Cross multiply. X is equal to 4x minus 12. Then 12 is equal to 4x minus x. 12 is equal to 3x. X is equal to 4. Okay. Then take the other one, that is under root x upon x minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 2, squaring both the sides. So, x upon x minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 4. 4x is equal to x minus 3. 3x is equal to 3. Okay, bring it here and minus 3. You will get x is equal to minus 1. Then answer x is equal to 4 and minus 1.